Janet sees this tag on a $70 handbag. Janet has $60. If tax is 5%, will she have enough money left over to purchase a $12 movie ticket? First of all, we see that the handbag is 35% off. That's the same thing as paying 65%. So 70 times 65%, or 6,500, will give me the price of the handbag before tax. I have two decimal places, so I need to move my decimal over 2 spots. The cost of the handbag before tax is $45.50. In Oregon, we don't have sales tax, so sometimes it's hard to understand when you go to other states that when you purchase something, you actually have to pay a sales tax on it. And you have to pay an extra 5%. So when we pay for this, we're going to pay for 100% of this plus an extra 5% for tax, which is the same as saying 45.50 times 1 and 500, because this is the whole price. We're paying 1 of the whole price plus 5%, or 5 per 100. So we're going to do some math here. 5 times 5 is 25 to figure out the cost. 27. 5 times 4 is 20. Add 2 more. 22. There is no 10 spot, so I'm not going to even multiply by 0. That's a waste of time. But I am going to multiply by this 1, and it's in the 100 spot, so I have to start with 2 zeros here, because nothing can be less than 100, right? I like when they give us ones to multiply because it's really fast. When I add this up, I get this large number, but I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals. So I need to come down here to the product and move my decimal over 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it's money, this 5 is either going to help us raise it or lower it. 5 or more means we raise the score. So really, this money would be $47.78. Now they want to know if she has enough money for a $12 movie ticket. So of her $60, when we subtract 47 and 78/100, does she have enough? Let's see here. When I subtract zeros, when I have to borrow from a 0, I actually like to box the whole thing, cross it off, and take 1 away from the whole thing. So 600 minus 1 is 599, and I'm left with a 1 to give to this 0 to make it a 10. 2, my decimal stays in the same place. It looks as though she has exactly $12.22 left over. She can pay for that $12 movie ticket and still have 22 cents to not buy anything else at the movies. But our answer here is yes.